Good morning students. Welcome you once again in Alchemy Online Tutorials Class 2 Subject Mathematics. In the last class we have completed the chapter number 2 which is numbers up to 1000 and I hope the concept is very clear to you. Now further we are moving to the chapter number 3 is addition. You have already learned the addition till the number 100, right? So now further we will learn the addition up to 3 digit and carry over what is regrouping and all. Okay. So before starting it, addition, first we will see the single how we are adding the, we will revise of single digit addition, right? So in the first standard from where you have begun the addition we will learn here. My first sum is from easy to easy we will start, that is 2 plus 2. Yes, this you have done only ones place number, single digit. So 2 plus 2, 2 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. After 2, 3 and 4, right? So 4. Now next 5 plus 2. Okay. So what we are doing, 5 in your mind, 2 on our fingers. After 5, 6 and 7. So we are writing 7, right? But if I am having the number 7 plus 7, okay, and I have written here tens and ones. Now 7 plus 7. So how we will do? 7 in our mind, 7 on our fingers. So how we will make 7? 5 here and 7 here. 7 in my mind and 7 on my fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you can see I have written the number only on one side, but the answer is coming in 2 digit, which is 14. So I will write 1 on the tens place and 4 on another place, right? So this we have already learned in the first standard, the concept of this digit number. Now we will come let's read some concept from the textbook. Now we will start the chapter number 3, addition. So the theme is animal and plants. So first we will read this I connect on the National Festival of Tree Plantation called Van Mahotsav. The Tree Plantation Festival is also called Van Mahotsav. A school organized an event under the supervision of teacher. The students planted 25 apple trees, 37 mango trees and 17 orange trees. How many trees did the students plant? So we have to count apple trees, mango trees and orange trees. Total how many trees are together they have planted in a garden. So this we will solve on the board. As we have read from the textbook, they are celebrating the Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav means tree plantation day. We are also celebrating in our school. We are going to the garden and we plant a tree. Yes. So they are also celebrated the Van Mahotsav tree plantation day. On that tree plantation day, as you have read, they have grown three trees. First one is apple tree. How many apple tree? They have planted 25. Then mango tree, which is 37. After mango tree, orange tree. Orange trees are 17, right? So what we have to do, we have to count all together how many trees are there. How many total trees they have planted, right? So 5 plus 7. First we will add this both number. 5 in your mind, 7 on your fingers. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here the number comes 12. Now 12 in your mind, 7 on your fingers. So after 12, 7 on your fingers. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So my number is 19. So what you are doing? You are doing carry. So put 1 and 9 down. Right? So now we will add this. We will do the sum of this. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So the total number of trees they have planted is 79. 79 numbers of trees are planted in a garden. On which day? Van Mahotsav day, tree plantation day. So after doing this sum, come let's do the exercise from the textbook. Now come let's solve the following sums which you have given in the textbook. I am solving on the board. First one is 5 plus 8. So what you will do? 5 in your mind, 8 on your fingers. So 5 in your mind, 8 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. So answer comes in 2 digit, right? So 13 is my answer. So I will write 1 here and 3 this side. Now next. 6 plus 3. Now these all are the sums of which is not having any carry number, which is called regrouping. These are not the sums of regrouping sums. These are normal sums. So 6 plus 3. 6 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So as single digit come, I will write down downside only. 4 plus 2. 4 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. 4 plus 2 is 6. So the answer is 69. Third sum. 7 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So answer is 11. So I will put 1 here and 1 down, right? Now 3 plus 5. After 3 till 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and plus 1 answer is 9. So my answer is 91. 3 plus 9. So we can convert the number because downside number is big. So we will say in the mind 9 in your mind and 3 on my fingers. After 9, 6, 7. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So first number up, second number down. Now 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 92, right? So these are the sums you have already done in the second standard. In the first standard, this is a revision of that, right? So now in the next, you will learn the rules of the math sums and 3-digit number, how you have to do the 3-digit number addition and which rules you have to follow while solving the 3-digit addition. So come, let's see the rules of addition. So these are the rules of the addition. Come, let's read this. In the iConnect section, we recapitulated the concept of addition of 1 and 2-digit numbers. Now let us recall the terms used in addition. We already know that additions means putting the things together. Yes, Additions means what? Whenever you have counted all the things and all the sum you are doing is known as addition. Always remember that operation of addition begin from the ones place. Yes, whenever we are doing the addition, we are taking the first one place number. The numbers to be added are called addends, and the answer which we get after the addition is called the sum. So here you can see one example. It is given 5 and 5 plus 6. This both the numbers are called addends. This both the numbers are addends, and the answer 11 we got is the sum, right? So addition of one digit numbers. As we have already done the one digit number sums on the board. Now word buddy you can see. Recapitulate to give summary what already discussed. Now addition with regrouping. Sorry, addition without regrouping. So this also we have done on the board. The single digit number 4 plus 5, 6 plus 1 that you have learned in the starting of the first standard, right? Now regrouping of the numbers. We have more than 9 ones. They are regrouped into tens and ones. Regrouping means make easier to add number. We know that 10 ones is equal to 110. So 15 is equal to 10 tens plus 5 ones. 110 is carried over and added to the tens column. This type of regrouping you have already done in the last standard. So this is your homework worksheet. There are 10 sums. Add the following numbers by regrouping. You have to plus all the 3 numbers by the method of regrouping, which means carry sums. Okay students? So this is your homework worksheet you have to do in your notebook. Thank you students and have a nice day.